Three Democratic candidates were in Mercer County this morning for their campaign for Pennsylvania Supreme Court. 27 First News reporter James Santelli tells us why this election will be unlike any others that the Commonwealth has seen in the last 300 years.
The three Democratic candidates, Christine Donahue, David Wecht, and Kevin Doherty, each talked with voters in Farrell about what they would bring to Pennsylvania's highest court.
There can't be a difference between justice for poor people and rich people. And in the criminal justice system, that is even more critically important because people's lives are at stake.
We need to end nepotism in our courts. The courts are not a jobs program for judges' relatives, number one. Number two, we need to end gifts to judges. Judges should not be taking gifts from lawyers and others.
November's Supreme Court election will make history. The first time there have been 3 vacancies on the court since 1704.
One has to remember that William Penn was governor at that time, and the King or Queen of England decided who would sit as a justice.
Judicial elections typically have low voter turnout, but all the candidates said having an historic 3 vacancies should catch voters' attention.
What happens in this election is going to mold the shape of the law in Pennsylvania for decades into the future.
That's because Pennsylvania Supreme Court justices get 10-year terms, and voters almost always retain justices for 10 more years with a yes vote. In Farrell, James Santelli, WKBN 27 First News.